Hi, my name is Alexandria. I'm son from Cagayan de Oro City, and I am doing a review of Ryan Hildreth and his company Cashflowchannels.com. The position that I applied for was a voiceover acting or a voiceover actress, and that was because I believe that I had quite an extensive experience with giving and performing speeches. This team actually helped me land the position very fast. Just from the moment that I applied, I was able to get a client within about a week or 2 weeks, and I was under Elaine, or Ate Elaine as I called her, and she was very helpful and very kind, and she really helped me in landing that position quickly. Definitely one of the things that I really enjoy the most about my freelance job is the flexibility and my ability to work whenever I like in a schedule that works for me. I have been a voiceover actress for about a year now, and if I were to change positions, I'm pretty confident that Ryan and his team will be able to help me just like they helped me when I was just starting out. Really recommend Ryan and his company, or Ryan and his team, because they are very helpful. And this company really helped me have a stable job that I love and need as well. So that's it for now, and thank you very much for listening.